What? We have our own private pool? Oh wow, and look at this open air bathroom. Anyway, we checked into this place yesterday and now we are heading to breakfast. So let's go. At here, instead of hotel room, each one of us who checked in gets its own suite. First thing first, they welcome us by choosing a welcome drink, and of course, we chose their special made cocktail. But of course, if you feel like it's too early for an alcoholic drink, you can always have an option of coffee or tea. So at here, it's a buffet style breakfast, and I can see that they do serve more like a Balinese or Indonesian based food. So for Muslim friends, I think this is a very good place for you to consider to stay when you're in Bali, because I don't see that they're serving any pork options, and look, for example, their sausages and their hams are all in chicken base. So this is a station where you get to choose the type of the eggs that you prefer, and they'll just make it fresh in front of you. I think this is just one of their highlight here with the breakfast that you get.在这边别的啥事？好咸！你怎么啃？你这怎么啃？你怎么啃的？
Well, that's good too.
It down for the lower.
时候老师在办公室他已经拔了，然后他这样拔一点，然后给我寄过来了，and then that's it.不知道就我没有好感，it's like 涩啊 ，that's what I remember. But they say it's sweet.
老 supposed to be. It feels so weird to peel this thing, man. It's
Can I
like,
give you a touch?
yeah.
Eee.
You know what it feels like? It feels like
It's like a chestnut.
Alright.
It's like a mangosteen chestnut.
It feels like a garlic, to be honest.
Oh, true.
Garlic, like a. Okay.
Are you gonna take a bite?
How do you reckon?
Ah, it is sweet.
Can I try?
对啊，就是那个涩涩的那个味道。我之前吃的没有这样甜。
So to show you guys where we're staying during our Bali trip. We have our private pool, and then that's like a mini kitchen and living room here. And then let's move on to the inside. And then this is where our sleeping place is. Even it's a bit messy, but someone to clean up. And there you go, that's our toilet. Look at that big mirror over there. Big mirror. And now we're filling up water for the hot pot. And that's it. Opening showers. How cool that is. Opening showers. Even it's small, but it's cozy over here. Bye. So yeah, and there you have it, my room tour, and this is where we stay for our Bali trip, and it was really amazing. So if you're interested for the hotel's details, please have a look down the description below. And now it's time for us to enjoy our hot bath. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.